If a hard drive fails or has problem, there will be notices in the system status and events information bulletins on the dashboard of the Promise utility. Follow the instruction to replace the hard disk. Then use the Promise utility to rebuild the array. This example indicates a hard disk failure. Click on the Physical Drive tab to check the status of the physical drives. If a hard drive failure is indicated, follow the instruction in the product manual to replace the hard drive. Follow these steps after you have replaced the failed hard drive. Click on the Background Activities tab. Find Rebuild and click Start. Note that you will need to click on the padlock icon and enter the administrator password to make setting changes on the Pegasus RFOI. In the expanded Rebuild menu, choose the physical drive to use for the rebuild. Click on Confirm. The rebuild status displays in the Background and Activities menu. If you want to turn off the alarm buzzer, go to the Dashboard menu, click Controller. Click the setting option for the buzzer to enable or disable the buzzer, or to mute it.